Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Quaker Oats smoothie. This easy method is perfect for a quick and nutritious meal or snack. You'll need just a few basic items to get started. We'll combine 1/2 cup of Quaker Oats, 1 cup of your preferred milk, and 1 ripe banana. For a touch of sweetness, have about 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup ready. Now let's get blending. First, pour your 1 cup of milk into the blender. Next, add the 1/2 cup of Quaker Oats, your ripe banana, and the 1 tablespoon of sweetener. Secure the lid tightly. Blend on high speed for approximately 30 to 60 seconds. You're looking for a smooth, creamy consistency with no oat chunks remaining. This ensures a delightful texture every time. The beauty of this smoothie is its versatility. Feel free to customize it to your liking. For added nutrients and flavor, try incorporating 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen berries or even a handful of spinach. If you're looking for a protein boost, add 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. You can also experiment with different types of milk, such as almond, soy, or oat milk, to discover new taste profiles. Your delicious Quaker Oats smoothie is now ready. Carefully pour it into a glass and enjoy it right away for the best taste and texture. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, simply add a few ice cubes to the blender with your other ingredients. Remember to clean your blender promptly after use. This makes cleanup much easier and keeps your equipment in great condition. Enjoy your nutritious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.